So what are we having today?
Huh?
What are we having?
We having today. This is sausage.
So the specialty of Vietnam, a banh mi.
Butter.
A little bit of butter.
Yeah. Pate.
Ah, nice.
Chili.
Mm-hmm.
You like
Yes,
spicy?
yes.
Okay. And sauce.
A little bit of sauce, yes. Mm. Cucumber. Tofu, right?
Oh, tofu.
No?
No. I don't know the name, but very delicious. You can try.
Yeah.
And pork.
Yep, the pork. Oh wow, that's gonna be good.
And coriander.
Coriander, yes, that's what makes it so good. You can put a little bit more for me, if you
Okay.
don't mind. I love coriander.
Vegetarian. Carrot.
Yeah. What is this one? It's like
I don't know.
fish.
No fish, pork.
Oh, okay. Pork.
It is Vietnamese chả bông.
Chao bao? Okay.
Chili sauce
Mm-hmm.
and mayonnaise.
Yep. Oh wow, that's gonna be a good
Yeah.
one. And you put it then in the little.
Okay. Hot.
Yeah. So can you tell me what is the location of your store?
Huh?
Where can people find your store here for the camera?
Google Map.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So they can find it on Google Map.
Yes.
And what is the address? If you have one, I don't know.
I don't know.
I'll look it up then, it's okay. And can I get, like last time, coconut? Yes, coconut shake. A big one. This is a place where you should stop for a banh mi. This is really closed. It's you see COT marked. That's actually where the street for the 9-station hostel where most of us are living. And yes, she's the person who just cooked for me. She's studying in university and she's helping her mom. So it's a family store and it's really good. You can also have some full, like I said, the shake. And I strongly recommend this place. It's really nice, really good. And yeah, fresh, as you can see. She's cutting my coconut. I can come? Okay. It's gonna be really fresh. And what time do you start in the morning? Ooh, you okay? It freezes, yeah, everywhere. And no sugar, just the milk with it already has sugar, so. Oh wow, it has a lot of juice in it. Yeah. Oop, be careful. Mm-hmm. Or you can put everything if you want. And you open at what time in the morning?
6 a.m.
6 a.m. and until 1, I think you said. Yeah. Your mom is not here today?
My mom go home shower.
Ah, okay. Take a little rest. I went to Starfish Beach today. Yeah, it was really nice. Yeah, nothing left. Let me move. I'm in your way now. You also make pho, right? Yeah. So a little bit of milk.
Milk.
And some ice. Oh, that's gonna be good. Plenty of fresh fruits. Here if you want some. And my Banh Mi is gonna be really good. So this is the place. I will put in the description address. When I look on Google, she wasn't sure either. So Spa May will be a good spot. Oh yeah.
Ako no?
Whoops. Wow. A little bit.
Enjoy your meal.
Thank you. Thanks. Oh my god, this is good. Really good.